Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I created a soft canary yellow cut crease. And if you guys want to see how I got this look, continue on watching. First, I'm going to use my usual, my multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade Honey. And I'll be placing that in the inner and outer corner of my eye. Then blend all that out with the Beauty Blender. Second, I'm going to use my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in the shade Eden. And place that in the middle of my eye. And blend that out with the Beauty Blender as well. First, I'm going to start off with the Jaclyn Hill palette, volume 1, and the first shade I'll be using is Central Park, which is a deep chocolate brown, and I'll be placing that halfway through my crease and build that up to my liking. Next, I'll be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, volume 2, and the first shade I'll be using is G Money, which is a lighter brown, and I'll be blending that around the edges of the shade Central Park and also into my crease. Now I'm going back into the shade Central Park, just making sure that shade is still showing up deep and true to color. Next, I'm going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, volume 1, and take that shade Creamsicle, which is a light mustard yellow, and blend out the edges of the shade G Money. Now I'm using a makeup wipe remover, cleaning the excess eyeshadow off my lid so I can have a clean base to cut my crease. Next, I'm using my LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Fairest to cut my crease. Okay, you guys, while I finish this cut crease, I would like for you guys to comment down below some beauty related ideas you guys would like to see from me, rather it be a skincare routine, an eyebrow tutorial, an eyelash application tutorial, anything beauty related. Please let me know in the comments down below. It will be greatly appreciated. Thank you. Now I'm just adding back in G Money, just making sure that shade is still being shown and showing up true to color as well. Next, I'm going to go back into the shade Central Park, blending that into the outer corner of my cut crease, making sure that it is well blended into the concealer. Now I'm going back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, volume 2, and I'll be taking the shade No Joke, which is a bright yellow, and I'll be placing that all over my eyelid. Now I'm using the shade In Light from the Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 palette, which is a shimmery white, and I'll be placing that in the tear duct area of my eye. Next, I'll be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid eyeliner, and I'll be placing that above my lash line, creating a thick line. Next, I'm going to go back into the shade Central Park, placing that directly on top of my liquid eyeliner, creating a brown line just to give this eye look a softer appeal. Next, I'm going to take my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner and place that above the brown line that I created. Now I'm going to use my Globe Academy Loose Glitter and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glitter Adhesive and place that directly on top of my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner just to make it stand out more. If you guys haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please turn your post notifications so you guys will be notified every time I post a new video. It will be greatly appreciated. Thank you. Next, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Up Kit and take the shade Summer and place that on my brow bone. Now I'm just taking some concealer and placing that under my lower lash line, using it as a base for my under eye eyeshadows. Next, I'm going to use the shades that I previously used from darkest to lightest and place them underneath my lower lash line, which is Central Park, G Money, and No Joke. Next, I'm lining my waterline with my L'Oreal Infallible Eye Pencil in the shade Nude. For mascara, I'm going to use my usual, my Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. Moving on to skin, I'm going to start off by using two primers. The first primer I'm going to use is my Dr. Brandt, and that one minimizes the appearance of pores and mattifies any shine, and I'm going to place that in my T-zone area. The second primer I'm going to use is my Urban Decay All Nighter, and that one hydrates the skin, and I'm going to place that around the perimeter area of my face. For foundation, I'm using my MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC46. For concealer, I'm going to use my Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline in the shade Golden, and I'm going to use that to highlight the high point areas of my face. For bronzer, I'll be using my Fenty Beauty in the shade Coco Naughty, and I'll be using that to warm up the sides of my face and to add a little bit more definition to my face. For blush, I'll be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Kit, and the shade I'll be using is Vegas, and I'm going to place that on my cheeks and blend that into my bronzer just so I can have a nice gradient effect. Also, I'll be placing that blush on the high point areas of my face. For highlighter, I'll be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and the shade I'll be using is Summer, and I'll be placing that on the high point areas of my face as well. Next, I'm just lining my lips with my NYX lip pencil in the shade Dark Brown. Lastly, I'm applying my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lip pencil in the shade Bittersweet. Alright you guys, this pretty much sums up the look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and turn your post notifications so you guys will be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much guys for watching.